Hello everyone, thank you for joining me once again at Catch Them Young, a career pathfinder that informs you about all vocational training in Germany. This video is a continuation video. If you haven't watched the first and the second career paths under Health, that is Gesundheit, I encourage you to do so. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. If you have, thank you very much. Don't forget to share with family and friends. It can help someone. In this video, we are going to be discussing the third career path under Health and Gesundheit. That is Berufe in the Medicine on Rare Technique. That is profession in medical and rehabilitation technology. Professions in medical and rehabilitation technology. If you're interested in how medical technologies is being done, then this is a career path you want to look into. Don't forget, share this video with friends and family. Don't give up on your career, and only you can stop you. The first career path in profession in medical and rehabilitation technology is Assistentin für medizinische Gerätetechnik. That is assistant for medical device technology. The duration for this vocational training is 3 years. And what do? They design medical device technology, advise medical staff with regard to medical technology equipment, provide information about the technical and business data as well. So they maintain the medical technology equipment, maintain them, carry out safety checks, check defective devices and repair them. So medical devices that is being used in the hospital, if you're interested in how it's being maintained, how it's being done, the support system, then this is a career you want to look into. Where do they find employment? They find employment in information and communication technology areas for medical devices technology and companies that manufacture medical device technologies. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you need nothing less than your diploma. If you have a higher certificate, yes, but if you don't have a certificate, you can't go into this career path except you have nothing less than your diploma. If you need further information, feel free to contact us. The second career path in the third area of specialization under Gesundheit Health is the AUGENOPTIKER, that is optician. If you're interested in this career path, the duration is 3 years. What is the job description? They work with visual aids and manufacture and also process them. They advise customers in the style and type appropriate to the selection of glasses. So if you're interested in, they also adapt finished glasses to their customers. So if you are interested in how the study of the eye, how glasses is being recommended to patients, then or how the visual aid is being helped to look or to perform better, then this is a career you want to look into. They also carry out eye tests and detect visual defects as well. Where do they work? They find employment in optician companies in optician trade, that is optical glasses company on precision mechanical industries. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you need your diploma or your university certificate to go into this vocational training. It's 3 years and they are mainly into glasses, then optical defects, optical devices, maintenance, contact lenses, glasses, and so on. So if you need further information, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family.